Hello, this is Michelle Milliken, your librarian.
Sometimes when you're doing a search, you use Google, but when you do it for research, you don't want to get 148 million hits in less than a minute that you don't know how to filter. The way that you can filter that is by using your Learning Resource Center and going to get scholarly and peer review articles. And so what you're going to do is go to your Moodle page and you're going to click on the Learning Resource Center and then subject guides. And from there, you're going to find your course. So in this example, I'm using art history, where you will find a curated list of databases, or you can use the search bar at the top of the page. I'm searching for Michelangelo, and then I'm going to press the go button. So initially, I have 55,000 hits. What I'm going to do is go to the left side of the screen, and I'm going to use the filter to decrease the number of hits that I have, so I get a smaller result. I'm going to click full text online, and I'm going to click peer reviewed articles. And this is going to decrease my number. A scholarly and peer reviewed article is what you want to use for research. So to make it even smaller, I'm going to click peer reviewed again on the left side. And this is going to limit my results to 19,000. And we're going to review now what it means to be peer reviewed article. A peer reviewed article is going to first of all contain an abstract. An abstract is basically a summary of the article. It's also going to use research-based language, which is what appears in the red box. And it's also going to have significant contributions, what university it's from. It's going to tell you a little bit about the people that have written it. And so this means this is probably a good resource. There's going to be a quick link and other subjects that you can click on. And on the very bottom, if you keep scrolling, you will find the DOI indicator, which is identified by the hand. The DOI indicator is a quick, ready reference to find this exact article from anywhere you are. So if you cut, copy, and paste it, you'll be able to find this article using Google in the future. All right, next what I want to do is access this article. So I see the peer-reviewed icon at the top. That's the first red arrow on the right side. And then I can also see the journal number, and I see that it's scholarly an article. So I'm going to click full text online. So when I do this, I'm going to again see the abstract, who wrote this article at the top in the orange checkbox, where it came from, and it gives me the option for full text PDFs, which enables me to print or email this article to myself. Now, personally, this is my favorite way to search. On the far right hand side, you will find a list of suggested sources. These are similar articles to what you have looked for. So instead of having to go back to the original 19,000 that you pulled up, this will provide you with a similar source on the same topic. And again, it's Michelle's favorite way to search. They're all going to be scholarly and peer reviewed. A word of caution. At the top, you will see the citation button. Now, I suggest you do not use the citation button. It's okay to print from here, email from here, or download from here. But if you need to create a citation, what you need to do is go back to the search page and click on this quotation link here beside the title. This is going to give you the option to choose which citation format. And I'm selecting the MLA format in blue. Now, depending on who your instructor is, you may want to use Chicago or APA. Word of caution, when you cut, copy, and paste within the blue box, a couple of different things can happen that are going to make you lose points. First of all, the blue box can show up, and that's in the first example, along with the bullet. Okay, you don't want either one of these things. The second time I cut, copy, and pasted, and I pasted it without using the formatting. What this did was removed the italics. So therefore, clinical chemistry is not in italics. It's an incorrect or wrong citation. Also, it's not in the correct font. I also suggest you do your citation page first, and your references first, because I know when I do my research personally for my dissertation, I have lost points if I do it last when I'm tired. We have if you need a help, you can ask a librarian. It contains our email and phone number, or you can just type your question in the chat box. Thank you.